Here's how to remove the Microsoft OneDrive app from an Android phone or disable it if your device does not allow it to be uninstalled in just 2 minutes. Today I will show you in a step-by-step guide how to remove OneDrive from your phone or stop it from running if uninstalling is not supported. First, find the OneDrive app in your app screen. This is where you'll see the Microsoft OneDrive icon. Touch and hold the app until a shortcut menu appears. If you see an uninstall option, tap it right away. A confirmation message will appear asking if you want to remove the app. Tap OK or uninstall again to confirm, and OneDrive will be removed from your app screen. Next, if you don't see the uninstall option, tap App Info from the same shortcut menu instead. This opens the app's information page where you'll find more management options for OneDrive. Then look for a Disable button. If it's available, tap Disable and confirm your choice. This turns off OneDrive, prevents it from running in the background, and removes it from normal use on your phone, even though the system app remains installed. After that, if you don't see either uninstall or disable from the shortcut menu, there's another way. Open Settings, tap Apps or Apps and Notifications, then find and open Microsoft OneDrive. From the App Info page, tap Uninstall if it's available. If it isn't, tap Disable instead and confirm the action. Now, if the uninstall button is missing, that's usually because OneDrive is installed as a system app by your device manufacturer. In that case, disabling the app is the official option available on supported devices. Once you've finished, you can restart your phone if OneDrive still appears after uninstalling. This refreshes the app list and confirms whether the app has been completely removed or simply disabled. Once everything is set, OneDrive will either be completely removed from your phone or disabled, so it no longer runs or appears in normal use, depending on what your device supports. Following these simple steps makes removing OneDrive from Android quick and easy.